Use an Allen wrench to loosen the screws on the brake and derailleur. Pull out the grip. Pull out the brake lever and derailleur. Loosen the screws that secure the derailleur cable. Cut off the cable cap with pliers. Pull the derailleur cable out of the cable tube. Replace a new derailleur. Insert the cable core into the cable tube. Thread the cable tube. Pull out the entire derailleur cable core. Insert the cable core into the derailleur. Replace the derailleur and brake lever. Replace the grip. Tighten the derailleur and brake lever screws. Loosen the two lower screws a little first. Thread the cable tube. Adjust the chain to the smallest gear. Tighten the cable core. Adjust the transmission. Tighten the core and clamp it in the nut position. Turn the wheel to adjust the transmission. See if the chain can be adjusted to the minimum gear position. Now it is the case that it cannot be adjusted to the minimum position. Tighten the bottom screw and adjust the transmission. Turn the wheel and press the transmission to see if the chain is normal. Adjust the minimum gear position by turning clockwise. If it cannot be adjusted to the maximum gear, tighten the middle screw to adjust the rear transmission. You can also fine-tune by turning the rear transmission nut counterclockwise. After adjusting the chain, shorten the core. Install the core cap and press it.